Hello guys, Ate Amy here. Today's episode of my video, we are using the English language. I'm sorry guys if my English is not really good, but I tried due to the request of my non-Filipino friends and followers. In this video, I will share to you how I prepare my snack food at home. No need to go out and find some snacks out there. I just looking on my kitchen what is available. Now I'm craving some Filipino snacks. But here it's very hard to find it. If you are craving, you must prepare it for yourself. I'm preparing a puto. It is a steam cake. Instead of baking, we do it in steam. We will see which ingredients I can find on my kitchen. All the available ingredients is here. I will show to you what are they. I mix already the 4 cups of flour, the 2 cups of sugar. I use 6 eggs and I separate the yellow from the white. And the yellow now I'm mixing it with the flour and the sugar. Half cup of butter, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 1 1/4 cup of milk, 2 1/2 cups of water, and then I mix it all. The white eggs, we will do it later. Right now, we will leave it in an hour. So we will rest these ingredients in an hour, and then we will continue mixing all the remaining ingredients. After 1 hour of resting our ingredients, the white eggs, I already do it a meringue, and now I put a little bit vanilla sugar on top of it, and then I will mix it now here. Mix it slightly. We will mix it gently. Just a little mix. After mixing, I will divide it in 2 parts so I can color it with red and the other one is green. Now it's already colored with green. I divide it in 2. The other half is green and the other half is red. And now we pour it on the pan now. I asked help from my husband because we need to pour it at the same time. Ready, 1, 2, 3. This is how is it. Nice color, huh? Green and red. Thank you, Oseng. Now this ready to put on my preheated steamer. I put it already on the steamer. I use my rice cooker for it. We'll wait until 20 minutes, guys. So guys, our puto is already done. I put some cheese over it and let it melt for a while. And then it's ready. It's done. So that is our steam cake for the day. Good for snack. Hope you enjoy it. And I'm sure I really enjoyed it. I like it. That's our food trip for the day. Hope the puto or steam cake of my own version, whatever the result is, tastes good or not, the point there is we take our time away from thinking all those negative happens for the day. So if we focus on the food trip instead of thinking all the problems that happening surrounds us, we find a way to get out from there. And at the same time, we enjoy it. I just hope and pray that everyone will continue thinking to find a ways not just to focus on the problem what we have. Problem is always part of our life, so we don't need to focus on it. Hope today I find a way to help everyone in my own simple way. Continue positive thinking, and I hope I still can find also some ways to help you guys out there. So have a nice day, everyone. Thank you and God bless.